Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. But there are cars, and then there's the BMW M2 CS, a driving experience that goes beyond exhilaration. It's a primal connection, a surge of adrenaline that leaves you breathless. We're setting our sights on a modern legend, the BMW M2 CS. This isn't your average M2. It's a homologation special, a street-legal race car limited to just 2,200 units worldwide. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride as we explore what makes the M2 CS so darn special. The M2 CS isn't for the faint of heart. It's a beast of a machine, sculpted for performance and engineered to push limits. Under the hood lies a beating heart, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged powerhouse that delivers a staggering 444 horsepower. Every squeeze of the pedal unleashes a torrent of power, propelling you forward with exhilarating force. The M2 CS isn't just a car, it's a statement. The aggressive design turns heads wherever it goes. From the sculpted lines to the iconic M badging, every detail exudes a sense of power and purpose. But the M2 CS isn't just a track demon. It's as happy carving up canyon roads as it is cruising down the highway. The comfortable interior and refined engineering ensure every drive is a pleasure. Owning an M2 CS is more than just owning a car, it's joining a legacy. It's about belonging to a community of driving enthusiasts who share your passion for the thrill of the road. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.